Hello everyone, in this video I'll be talking about two types of products, bundled products and configurable products. Bundling is a sales technique that involves the sale of multiple products as a package deal, usually sold at discounted price. And bundling is an effective way to increase sales. So let's say you have two products. Product A is moving very well and very fast, whereas product B is not moving at all. You can decide to bundle product A and product B into one product. You can bundle two of product A and one of product B, or one of product A and two of product B. You bundle them together into one product. And for example, let's say product A is at the rate of 4,000 naira and product B is at the rate of 2,000 naira. The two products together is 6,000 naira. But when you bundle both products into one new product, you can sell the bundled products at the rate of 5,000 naira or 5,500 naira. This gives your customer a sense of discount price, and it would shift their attention to the bundled products. So to create a bundled product, all you have to do is come to products here. You click on products and then you click on bundled products. Then new products. Now, before you click on new products, you need to have the SKU of the products that you want to bundle together, because you would need to you need to add your bundle detail. Bundle detail is the product that you want to bundle together, as well as the outlet that is participating in the bundling. So you need to get the SKU of the products. So before we create a new bundled product, I want to get the SKU of the product and copy it somewhere. And so to get that, you need to come here to products, and you can search for the products, or you can look for the products here as well. So I want to add premium shirts. I'm going to copy this SKU somewhere, as well as another product that I want to add is tie. I'm also going to copy this SKU somewhere. So once you have your SKU copied, then you can come back to bundled products and you click on new products. You can check the video on products management to understand the meaning of each of these forms, each of these fields here. Virtual quantity would go by your bundling quantities. It will count the stock and tell you how many of the bundled products you have available, how many of the bundled products you have available for sale. So it's looking at each of the products that makes a bundle, and it's telling you how many you have left in stock to sell. So that's what virtual quantity does. So I'm going to create a bundled product now, calling this combo value. In the product category, then we need to set the SKU. So when we're done with this, come ahead to pick our bundled detail. And this is what product is making up of the bundle, adding products A and products B together. It can be 3 products, it can be 4 products that you want to bundle together into one product. So for this, I'm going to bundle a shirt and a tie together. And this is the reason why I said you need to get your SKU, your product SKU. You need to get it copied somewhere. So I'm going to type in the SKU of the products. and it's giving me now. Let's assume that the price of this premium shirt is 4,000 naira, and since I want to bundle it together, I can decide to reduce the price or keep the price at the normal price rate that it is. This is the quantity that you want to sell to make up a bundle. If it is 1, if it is 2, if it is 3. And this is not the quantity that you have in stock. This is the quantity here is 1. It means 1 premium shirt and 1 tie, or 1 premium shirt and 2 tie is making up the bundled products that I want to sell. That is the quantity that we have here. So I'm putting this as 2, and then you submit. And then you can still add another product. So the second product I want to add is the tie. The price of this then the outlet that it's participating in the bundle. This is for if you have multiple outlets. If you just have one outlet, then it's just one outlet that you would be able to select from. But if you have multiple outlets, then you can now determine which of your outlets is going to participate in these bundled products. So you pick your subscription, you pick your seller, you pick your outlets, and then you select your product SKU. Stock ID is for complex products. And leave it as empty, and then you add it to outlets. Now you want to pick the second product. Choose this, and then this as option. This second product, which is the tie, is a complex product. And so we can pick it's just this stripe white that I want to sell at that. Then we add it to outlets and then submit. Now we have our bundles and we can submit here. So our product is saved successfully. And you can also add image in product image. You can also add image as well. And we have our image, and as well crop it. We can check the bundled products that we just created, and then we can see we have 2 of premium shirts and 1 of tie, and we have the outlet that is participating in the bundle. We can still add products, and we can still add more outlets as well. And we can see here that our virtual quantity is 10. So it has checked the stock, and it's telling us that we have 10 of these bundled products. So that is that about bundled products. Now we are moving into configurable products. For configurable products, you come to products here as well, and then you click on configurable. For configurable, the difference between configurable and bundled products is that in the case of bundled products, the quantity are rigid. The seller already bundles 2 of product A and 1 of product B together into one. But for configurable products, you can vary the quantity that you want to get. The seller already has a minimum quantity and a maximum quantity, which you cannot go below and above. So, but then a customer can vary the quantity of the product that they want. For example, you sell a makeup kit or a travel kit. The seller can be flexible enough to allow you determine how many products you want to have in that kit. All that the seller needs to do is to set the minimum quantity and the maximum quantity. So it means that you cannot go below you cannot go below or above the quantity that is being set. But if the seller sets the minimum quantity of a product to 0, it means that that particular product is optional. But if it is set to 1 or 2 or 3, it means that you need to buy 2 of that product to make up a kit. Or if the maximum is 5, it means that you cannot go beyond 5. You cannot go above 5. You have to, 5 is the limit. But if it is set at 0, then it means that that particular product is optional. So to set up our configurable as well, we come here under products to configurable and we click on new products. The same thing with bundled products as well. So I can call this and give it any name based on what you want, the products that you want to configure together. Then we set the configurable details. So you need to have your SKU as well written down somewhere. I'm going to use the same SKU I used earlier. Here I'm setting the price. Then the minimum quantity, if I set it to 0, it means that the customer have, this product is going to be optional. Customer can decide to buy it or not. If I set it to 1, it means that they have to pick at least one of these products. And if I set it to 5, it means that they have to pick maximum 5 products, 5 premium shirts. Then you pick the outlet that is participating in the configurable. Stock ID is for complex products. Sorry, I need to set the SKU here, which I have not done. Now, our configurable product is saved successfully. And with this video, you've been able to learn how to create a bundled products as well as configurable products, and also know the difference between configurable and bundled products. Thank you.